Can you export Telegram chat history? So if you want to export Telegram chat history, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And as you can see that right here, I'll just simply go and select the chat. If you want to export a chat, then go with the profile, or on the top, just click on their name and you will have all of the messages right here. So you just need simply go with the more option, or just simply go with three dots, which will be in the top right, and you will get some more options. But as you can see that you won't have an option to export the Telegram chat. You will have an option to share the contact, or block the user, or edit contact, or delete the contact, or also send a gift, or start secret chat, or disable sharing, or you can also add this person's chat to your home screen. But you won't have an option, or you won't be able to export Telegram chat history. Unfortunately, there's no way, or there's no option that allows you to basically export the Telegram chat history. They removed this feature a couple of months ago, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.